Happy Thursday, you guys. How are you? And today we got, I don't know what to call this, but it's one of those where TikTok maybe buy this. And I've seen it on TikTok where people were basically relabeling so they're transferring all their seasonings to like all same bottles, so then it looks really nice. So then I got this at Amazon. So this bottle comes with, they already have like pre-labels or labels that they already made, but I kind of want to make my own to make it look nicer. So that's why I bought this. Now they have some on Etsy, but I mean, I'm gonna try to make it, and if I can make it, then might as well just, you know, do it myself instead of buying a template for like $5, which is not bad, but you know, it's still fun. But the bottles are like these, so it comes with it's like a lid. Instead of your regular lid, they have that lid that comes for a regular seasoning where there's holes in there. And then there's also one that comes where there's small holes. I don't know where I'm putting it. I'm sorry. And then it comes with where you can lift it, like in this part. So we're gonna start on making that. All right, you guys, so this is what I have so far. So I just downloaded a template online and then typed it on my own. And then so these are all the seasonings that we have. And so I just started going one by one, making sure I have all the seasonings typed in. And then so I printed them out. And then so now we're gonna try to see if it's gonna work. We're gonna try one of them, so yep. All right, so this is the first one that I wanted to try, so this is the cayenne. Should have put pepper in there, cayenne pepper, but oh well. And then the good thing is, like, this one is from HEB, and so it had already came with the same bottle, almost the same, which is kind of nice. It's just the lid that's different. So yeah, let's see. So I took up, it was just a plastic one, but let's see. Ooh. Hopefully I put it in the middle. Yay! It's not bad. I didn't put it all the way in the middle, but that's okay. It looks so nice. Oh my god, I'm so in love. Yay! What's up, fam? Happy Saturday. Today I just happen to be off, so we are heading to the beach. We're going to Surfside now. That's about an hour 30 minutes away from us. And you know, we in Texas, or I guess in Houston in general, we don't have the best beaches here. But we still go, you know, it's still fun. Normally we go South Padre Island, which is usually down west or down south more of Texas. But this year I don't know, just didn't plan it. I'm guessing, I think we were supposed to go to Philippines because of that in October, but you know, with everything that's going on, obviously that's not gonna happen anymore, which is, I'm so sad. I haven't been back home in so long, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, hopefully we'll get there soon, and then we'll show you guys.
Chicken strips.
Alright, you guys, we're stuck in traffic, so we're just gonna eat in the car because it's about 20 minutes and it's like one way. And we got stuck in Whataburger because I messed up our order. Or they didn't mess up, they took a long time giving out our order, so we're gonna eat. We got some burger and then chicken strips. and fries. Alright, you guys, we're here. We just found a spot and then we set up already. So we're just gonna throw some trash that we have from earlier. But yeah, so exciting. Guys, hope you guys are having a good Sunday. Yeah, today I think we're barbecuing for lunch. It's kind of late. It's like almost 2 o'clock, but it's okay. Yeah, we just went to HEB, got some groceries in, and then yeah, we're just barbecuing right now. We just got some steak, I think, some boudin, however you want to say it. And I got some chicken wings, or like a mix of chicken wings. I was craving for some Filipino barbecue, but I kind of wanted, with some bones in it, because to me it's more juicier. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So it's all done. I got my steak. We got some guacamole too. Chicken wings and boudin. Eating it with lettuce and some pickled radish. Yep, that's it. Alright, we'll see you guys next vlog. Bye.